Hey you guys, welcome to Lisa and Company. Today we are in full-on collab season. Today's collaboration is hosted by Jessica over at Measure and Mix and Sherri at Pretty Simple Sherri. These guys do amazing content, so I strongly encourage you to get over and check out their channels. I'll make sure they're listed below along with the playlist for this collaboration. And if you're arriving here from their channels, then welcome. Thanks for stopping by Lisa and Company. We do all kinds of crazy design, decor, DIY, and renovating, of course, on a budget. Today we are here for the $5 Dollar Tree Centerpiece collaboration. Whew, I got it right. I did something a little bit different for me than normal. I am all about winter decorating coming into this time of year, so I have a great winter centerpiece for you. Now let me tell you something that made this challenge different for me. I'm in Canada, and Dollar Tree in Canada, everything is $1.25, not $1. So let's jump in and get started, and I really hope you enjoy. Okay, you guys, so let me show you what we are using today. I have a white Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and this is all from Dollar Tree except for some of the other extra supplies. So in terms of my Dollar Tree $5, I've got 1, 2 in my lights, 3 and 4 in these stunning little glittery cool trees. One of these little village houses, except I think I have the church that everybody uses. So that's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The extras I have today are a block of wood, which I just pulled out of my scrap pile. I legit have a scrap pile. It's in a pile on the floor in the garage, and that's where it lives. It's not in some cute basket or anything. It's literally on the floor in the garage. I'm also going to use my Rust-Oleum white chalked paint, and that is pretty much it. Wow, that is pretty much it. So let's get started. I started painting the church with my Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white, and no, I am not getting good coverage from this. I feel like I'm going to be here for hours putting coat after coat on. So we are going out to the garage and we are going to spray this baby. I had already filled all the holes and gaps on this, so it's time to just go ahead and give it a coat of the Rust-Oleum in the linen white. On here, we're getting some good coverage. Time to put these trees in, and has everyone seen these at Dollar Tree? They are stunning. Every year they come out with a couple of ornaments that are just beautiful, and getting 2 of these, spectacular. All right, so I've used my marker to mark where I want the trees, then I've used my marker a second time for where I actually want the trees, and now it's time to get out the drill. So when you look at the bottom of those trees, they're not actually round. So I had to get a little funky with the drill and kind of give it a back and forth motion to make sure that I had the width for those to sit in. I went back in with my drill, the 2 holes at the front of the block. I decided I wanted those trees to sit just a tiny bit lower than the others to give it a little bit of dimension. All right, well, the trees are installed. Sorry I didn't show you that. I just used a dab of hot glue in the bottom of each hole and then pushed the trees in. Then I sat back and I kind of looked at it, and I felt like it needed to be lifted, figuratively and literally. So I used these wooden beads and I put 4 on the bottom, and I think it did just the trick. It doesn't look so much like a wooden block sitting there anymore. It almost has the appearance of the beginnings of a tiered tray. If you haven't heard me talk about it in other videos, you've been missing out. I am one of those people who loves snow. I know, right? But I do. And I live in the perfect area. We get lots and lots of snow, which is perfect for skiing. So enter the glitter that I wanted to look like snow all over the place. At this point, I am legit like a little kid in craft class. I start with a little bit of glitter on what is supposed to be the snow on the house, and then I add a little more, and then I add a little more, and I'm surprised I don't just douse the entire house in glitter. But you guys, I was having so much fun. How about a little more glitter? Snow is on the ground at the bottom of the trees too, right? And a glitter path. All right, we're in the dining room. I've left my regular runner on the table, and I'm going to use one of the Dollar Tree buffalo check scarves because I think it sets the scene perfectly for our centerpiece. Oops, I neglected to show you where I added the lights for these. So I've actually wrapped them around the trees, and then I just tucked the little battery pack underneath so it was out of the way. Those bead feet came in more handy than even I thought they would. This is so pretty. I am thrilled with the way this came out. I love the lights on the trees, and yes, I love the way the glitter came out. I'm just thrilled with this, and although it was intended to be a centerpiece, I feel like there's another place this is going to live. Thanks you guys for stopping by today. I really hope you enjoyed today's collaboration. Make sure you click on the playlist and go and check out everyone else's amazing projects. And while you're here, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a video. I don't say this often enough. You guys are the best. I really enjoy all the great feedback I get from our subscribers. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. While you're at it, please make sure you hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. I hope you guys have a super week. We'll catch you next time. Bye.